Starting a fitness routine can feel overwhelming, but artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever. AI-powered workout apps analyze your current fitness level, goals, and available equipment to design a personalized plan just for you. These systems use algorithms that adapt as you progress, increasing or decreasing intensity based on your performance and feedback. For beginners, this means no more guessing which exercises to do or how many reps. The AI acts like a virtual coach, guiding you through each session with proper form and rest periods. Some apps even integrate with wearable devices to track your heart rate and recovery, adjusting your routine in real time. The result is a safe, effective, and customized workout experience that evolves with you. Whether you're aiming to build strength, improve endurance, or just stay active, AI makes it easier to start and stay motivated. The takeaway is simple. With AI, getting fit is no longer about one-size-fits-all advice, but about a plan that grows with you.